You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet, I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with.
Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's Big John here, the at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today, you know what it is, I'm back again with some more free pips. That's why I keep putting the caption there. I keep putting free pips, free pips, free pips. If you'd like to get into my mentorship or my signal group about any of these trades or anything like that, then please hit me up. The link is in the description below. In my mentorship, I actually go over the minor pairs as well as gold, as well as some of the indices as well. So you'll be able to capture a lot of these pips or have a broader aspect on being able to see so many different pairs doing whatever they need to be doing and pairs you might be interested in. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let's go. Okay, so we're back on my chart at the moment. You know, I have the daily time frame on the left and I have the weekly time frame on the right. And yes, we're just going to go over some simple price action to see where price could be going towards in the next day or so. And what we can see on Euro USD here, as I did say in my previous videos, that we would be looking for Euro USD to get to some type of high. You can see price did get to a high and it did do a nice sell to here. It also gave a continuation down to this level around about here. So right now I'm looking at Euro USD and I'm thinking it might go down to this weekly liquidity here, liquidity being the wick it left behind on the candle, and we can see here on the weekly time frame there's liquidity, so it might go down towards this level, cover that, find a support around this level down here. Once it finds a support down here, then what we can expect for price to do is most likely go back up and buy, and then we do have liquidity right over here on the weekly time frame. We've even got some more over here now. It left with like a doji shaped candle, and we've got some more up here towards the high. GBP JPY. Now we can see price has done a fantastic buy from this level. I did say price could go to this level here, find a resistance and then sell. Price did manage to sell down. It covered this daily liquidity here and here, and then what we see now is we see price has gone down towards the lows that it did touch before. That's here, here and here for a triple bottom for a reversal of a buy. It did not cover this liquidity here, that's weekly liquidity, but let's say it did try to cover most of it on this big sell here. So price was able to find the support here and continue to buy. Right now it's setting itself up for a very good sell. As you can see, if we pay attention to the weekly time frame, this whole area here is a massive wick left down on the weekly time frame, and price could sell back down towards it. So we're expecting price to go up towards here or here, find a resistance, and then we expect it to go back down towards this level here. GBP USD. So what we can see, similar to GBP JPY, it has left a little bit of daily liquidity here, but I would say that this big sell was able to cover most of that. We can see price bought back up. We did say price would sell from this level up here, and we can see price is now starting to sell down. It has managed to find a support here for a triple bottom support, just like in my beginner course video, which is in my Discord and it's on my YouTube channel, the Ultimate Forex Beginner's Guide. And you can see right here price is now starting to buy up slowly towards where I would suggest is probably this area here, which is the weekly liquidity. We can see there was some weekly liquidity left behind here, but if price does continue to buy, then we're looking at price going up towards this level here. Then if anything, it could go up towards this level up here as well. USD JPY, as I was saying, we're going to be expecting a breakout on one of these pairs. So you can see that the breakout has happened. Price has started to buy. The breakout is now in play. We can see it has broke this previous high here, and we're most likely seeing price going towards this weekly liquidity up here. Once it gets up to this zone here, then we can be looking for a good sell back down towards any of these areas here where you can see there's a lot of weekly liquidity. So right now we're just waiting for price to get up to here, and we should be looking for a sell back down to this area. USD CHF, similar thing. We're looking for price to do some type of breakout. Slowly but surely it's breaking out to the upside. I do believe it's going for this massive candle, this area here. As we can see, price found some type of resistance here and there was a lot of force coming down. So I believe price probably wants to buy up, correct itself. Also, I expect for it to cover this liquidity up here on a weekly time frame, and we should be looking at a sell from around this region here back down towards this level here. Price can sell before this area, but that's how it goes. But this is what we're looking at. We just wait for our confluences. Like I said, this isn't a strategy, this is a technical analysis. If you'd like to know the strategy I use for entry of these pairs that I'm calling out, then please don't hesitate to join the mentorship program, where I go over all the majors and minors, metals, indices as well, and I'm explaining what we're looking for in terms of how to gain entry into these types of trades. AUD USD. So what we can see from AUD USD now, this pair is kind of in the middle of nowhere at the moment. Price has done what we expected, which was the buy up, which I suggested, and then it has found a resistance. My level of resistance was around here, but price did break up a little bit more, still gave us enough to come back down for some type of sell here. And right now we're just waiting for price to kind of line itself up. So it's either price goes down here, finds a support, keeps buying, or maybe it wants to buy up first and then we'll find a sell from a resistance level. Any one of these lines here, 1, 2, 3 or 4. Realistically, what I would be looking for though is for price to go towards this level here and then find another sell back down, or to go up to this level here, because this seems like a very serious level where the market wants to go towards, cover this liquidity, and then it can sell back down towards any of these levels down here. USD CAD, we can see price has bought up from this level, which I suggested before. It didn't cover all of this liquidity, so personally I feel like it's a little bit of a trap here. I feel like what they're going to do is they're going to consolidate, probably go for one more buy up to this level here to cover this liquidity here, and you'll find a better sell from around this area here, coming back down with force down to one of these levels here. We can also see on the weekly time frame, this is a very strong level of resistance here. As we can see, the market couldn't break it before, so maybe the market might just break up slightly, maybe go towards this level right here, and then it could find itself a reversal for a sell. But I will be looking for a sell on this pair once price buys up. And that about wraps it up, guys and girls. You know how I do. I just keep it nice, sweet, short and simple. We're just looking for some nice trades in terms of waiting for them to get into the right position, and then we'll look for our trade entry. This is what I do in the mentorship group, and I also do this pretty much in the signal group. If you'd like to get a hold of any of those services, please join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video below, and then all you have to do is just give me a simple direct message right there in the Discord. On that note, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's these free pips. I'm giving out a lot of free pips. You'll see the pip count at the beginning of this video. It's absolutely crazy. The mentorship one is even 5 times more crazier. So yeah, it's your boy Big John, and I'm out.